How to check copyright status of a YouTube video. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can check copyright status of a YouTube video. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up studio.youtube.com and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. Once you're on your channel dashboard, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side. From there, you have to select content and click on it. Now under channel content, you will find all of your videos on your account. So here, find out the videos where you want to view the copyright status and then click on its title. Then you land on this page that says video details. So after you have done that, again navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side. There is an option as copyright, click on it. So under this page, you will find the status about the copyright of your video. As you can see here, no copyrighted content was found on your video. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.